All right. Are you recording? Peanut butter waffles for the dog entry.
Actually, I was gonna say actually they're pancakes, but you know.
Choke them either. They want to choke them.
They got water. Well, can I get a glass of milk?
This is really
Are you
delicious.
sure you want to give them one that big?
Go ahead and give her Shay hers. That way I can record her. I can't get both of them.
I don't want to choke them.
They're not going to choke.
Arr, arr, arr.
Look at Chino.
Hey,
Chino's like, what the fuck is this? Chino's like, what the fuck is wrong with my mouth? Yeah, this is very delicious. Can I get a glass of milk? I need a glass of milk, guys. It's not funny. Am I gonna ever stop doing this? He said, can I ever stop? What the hell's under my lips? I ain't got no thumbs. I can't get it out.
You need some water?
He said, hell no, I need some milk.
I need a half a gallon of milk. Wash this down. Shay's like, give me a nut.
Buddy.
Y'all are silly.
Fad, is that good stuff? Them old Rolling Stone tongue coming out now. Look like Gene Simmons.
Rest.
He's like, what? What the hell is that?
What in the world? Say what they doing?
Shay's like, I want another one. Tino's still eating his.
He's savoring.